I've seen a lot of pergolas, but I've never seen one that opened and closed. And our neighbors invited us over for cocktails one night, and they had this brand new WA Zimmer pergola. It was amazing. So it's on the west side of their house. Never could sit on their deck in the afternoon. Way too sunny. So they said this has been fantastic for them because they could use their patio. And I said, wow, give me their number because we can't use our patio either. It's just too sunny, too hot. So called them. They sent a guy out, very low key, no pressure, showed me what they had to offer. It was an easy sale because I loved it already. And it looks like it's always been here. We love it. We love our WA Zimmer pergola. I chose this style because it's very classic style. It goes with our house, which is very traditional and classic. This one just fit our house, gave us an extra room outside, so extended our outdoor living. And if I want to grill out and it's raining, no problem. Close the pergola and we could sit out there in the rain. It's fantastic. I considered adding on to the house and tying into the roof line and adding footings and all that, but we already had this great patio with a wall with footings in it, so it just really made sense. They put it up in a day. It was such an easy sell for my husband because he was just cringing at the thought of this big project of tying into the roof and everything. That always makes people nervous. So this worked out fantastic. We love our WA Zimmer pergola. It's fantastic. It was a great investment.